Hello, I'm Karen Smith, Managing Director, electrician and the owner of Bright Spark Electrical Services, your local electricians. This little video I'm going to explain a little bit more about what steel wired armour cable is. Steel wired armour cable explains it in the name, but what is it? It is a cable which has the power going through it, the plus, the minus and the earthing. The outer sheath is also an earthing circuit. We use steel wired armour cable for a number of installations, whether it is running power from the house, the consumer unit, the main distribution board out to current using equipment, whether it's lighting, sockets, swimming pools, hot tubs, air conditioning units. The steel wired armour cable is black. It's got a black sheath around it, a bit like a hose pipe, but it's black. Just underneath that layer there is multiple strands of steel wire, which is the armouring. This encloses another protective sleeve in PVC, and this goes over the wires going through. The wires could just be the normal standard 3 wires. However, in larger installations we can supply the wire with multiple wires, so you have a live wire, a switch wire, another switch wire, those are all the live cables, then a neutral and an earth. They're marked up at either end so that we can identify them and any other electrician can identify them too. It's not just for homes, it's used in commercial and also out in gardens and outside lighting for maybe street lighting. Have a look through this video and become more informed about steel wired armour cable. Thank you for watching.
Hello, Karen Smith from Bright Spark Electrical Services. Just wanted to show you some steel wire armour cabling. This is a short cut-off length which is around about 12 metres long. It's quite heavy, and as you've seen from some of the other video clips, these rolls of steel wire armour cable come in some very heavy duty cable reels and literally have to be unloaded by a crane or a forklift truck. This is a 10mm steel wire armour cable, 3-core. If I put my finger beside it, you've got an idea of how thick it is. Just an index finger, and this is how big it is. About the same size as a garden hose pipe, but it is very tough to bend. So when we're having to bend round corners on edges of houses, it is a little bit more difficult to do. Now this one is a 3-core steel wire armour cable, 10mm, cross-sectional area for each core. Okay, the steel wire armour cable comes with its own protective plastic PVC sheath to withstand knocks and bumps. It also has on the inside, if we can zoom in a little bit, and we can see the steel wire armour cabling. That's the steel wire armour. That is to prevent maybe somebody having a good old go with a garden spade or an axe or even a chisel. On the inside there is also, you can see, some white outside sleeving, just again to protect the cores on the inside. And then inside there we have here 3 cores, okay, 3 cores of your separate conductors. Now you've got a plus, a minus, and also you can use one of these cores as the earthing conductor. We often use one of these as the earthing conductor, but if we're only supplied with a 3-core, we can also use the steel wire armour on the outside as your earthing protective circuit as well, often combining it with the inner cable as well for earthing.
Thank you for watching. Hope you found this video was useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. This helps us to build the channel and explain more about electrical items which we install and safety aspects. Thank you.